Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward. Compact and powerful. This 7-in-1 pocket lamp belongs on your keychain, in your glove box, or clipped to your bag. It's a bright LED flashlight, rechargeable work light, and emergency tool in one. With a window breaker, magnetic base, bolt driver, and red light mode for signaling, it adapts to whatever the moment needs. Rugged yet lightweight, it's perfect for camping, hiking, night drives, or unexpected situations. Confidence, light, and function, all in your pocket. This all-in-one screwdriver kit solves that in style. From tech repairs to tiny home fixes, it packs everything you need in one sleek case. The magnetic storage keeps each bit organized and easy to access, while the rotatable handle provides a solid, comfortable grip. Every bit is crafted with precision and labeled clearly. No more guesswork, no more mismatches. Whether you're tightening a hinge, swapping out laptop parts, or fixing your watch, there's a tool in here that fits. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for your desk, your bag, or your car. Clean, compact, and endlessly useful. This is the screwdriver kit you'll actually want to carry everywhere. Turn the rollers, roll out a new challenge. This little gadget makes math fun, fast, and hands-on. No screens, no stress, just spin to create endless combinations of addition, subtraction, and more. Each twist brings a new problem, keeping minds active and engaged without ever feeling like homework. Perfect for kids who are learning, parents looking for interactive tools, or adults who want to stay sharp. Whether you're in a classroom, at home, or on the go, it's compact, playful, and way more satisfying than a worksheet. Math practice made simple and honestly, a little addictive. This mini power bank fits right on your keychain and powers your phone when you need it most. No cables, no hassle, just plug in and charge. Compact, fast, and always ready. It's the backup you'll always be glad you brought. Cute, compact, and ready to light up your space. This mini LED reading lamp clips onto books, desks, or laptops with ease. The flexible neck lets you adjust the angle just right, while the soft, warm glow is gentle on the eyes. Whether you're reading, working, or winding down at night, it adds just the right touch of light and a little bit of charm to your setup. Small enough to take anywhere, bright enough to use everywhere.